To restore the Bill.com API integration guide, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the necessary credentials, including your Bill.com login and API keys. Next, verify that your API keys are correct and have not been revoked. If you are using a third-party application, check with the application provider to confirm that they support the Bill.com API. Then, review the Bill.com API documentation to understand the available endpoints and parameters. To begin the restoration process, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the API settings page. Here, you will find options to manage your API keys, including the ability to regenerate or revoke existing keys. If your API keys are no longer valid, regenerate them and update your integration with the new keys. Be sure to test your integration after updating the keys to ensure that it is working correctly. When troubleshooting issues with your Bill.com API integration, check the API logs for any error messages. Common issues include invalid API keys, incorrect endpoint URLs, and insufficient permissions. To avoid common pitfalls, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly in your integration code. Additionally, implement logging and monitoring to quickly identify and resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully restore your Bill.com API integration and ensure seamless communication between your applications. Remember to regularly review the Bill.com API documentation for updates and changes to the API. This will help you stay informed and adapt to any modifications that may impact your integration. With a properly restored and maintained Bill.com API integration, you can streamline your financial workflows and improve overall efficiency.